Hi y'all, it's me. I was recently contacted by BeeBeecraft asking if I'd like to sample some of their products and give a review and do a couple tutorials, so I agreed. If you haven't been to BeeBeecrafts, I will link their store down below for you, and you're going to want to check them out. There are pages upon pages upon pages of craft supplies, from jewelry making to die cutting to just a plethora of things, so go check them out. I will also include a discount code for you down below. It's $5 off $40 or more purchase, so you want to be sure to have that as well. So let me go ahead and do an unboxing with you. I'm going to share with you the items I received, and I will probably be back in a little bit with 2 more videos, so be sure to check that out. There'll be tutorials. So let's start by the first item that I got out of my packaging. I chose the bottle caps from them, and in here you get 40 bottle cap pieces, which it's really good to get, and they already have the holes in them right here, so you don't have to put a hole in them, which is nice. And they are also flattened out, so you don't have to flatten them out, which is a really nice thing, because you know that's part of some bottle caps, you do have to flatten them, but these you don't. So they're really nicely done. So you get 40 of those. You get 40 of the plastic domes that go on top. And then you get 50 jump rings in the package. So I will be creating something with these coming up. The next item that I chose, and if you all follow me enough, you'll know that I did a project with these not long ago. So I decided to get some more, and these are called coin capsules, and they come in a box of 100 pieces, which is amazing. So you get so many, you can share with your friends or whatever. And they come in this nice storage case that has closures, and you simply open it up, and then you have your coin capsules inside, and they look like this. I believe these would be the size of perhaps I'm not sure, maybe a quarter, I'm not sure. They come with these. These are always so difficult to open. I probably won't be able to get it open on camera. Let's see, I'll keep trying. Anyhow, these open up, and then they're little depth to them, so you can put things inside, meant for coins. And then they also come with these little, they're different sized things that you put around a coin once you put it in here. So for example, if you have a nickel, then you would use the smallest and have a cushion around it, if you will. So that's what these are. So I'm looking forward to creating a how-to for you with those. And then the last items I got were some beads, and let me go ahead and open these up for you. I'd like to share them with you because they are so cute. Sorry, I'm opening packages off camera. See if I can get this open at all. I'll just cut it open. So this is the first one I got. And these are flower beads, and they come in mixed colors. As you can see, they're super cute. And they do have a hole in them. So the hole would be from the top down through the middle to the bottom. So you would have technically something going through the middle, unless of course you used fish wire where you wouldn't see it so much. But it comes in all these pretty colors. So that was the first set I picked up, and in these you get 50 pieces. The next ones I picked up are these here, and these are actually called, well, they say pumpkin shaped, and I'm going to put those in here so you can see them. And look at how cute they are. They do look like tiny little pumpkins. If you look closely, they have the lines around them like a pumpkin would. Whoa, right there. And you have all these beautiful colors to play with. So I'm excited for those too. And those you get, I believe there's about 250 in there. And then the last thing I have from BeeBeecrafts to share with you are these beads. You get 200 pieces, and these are called bubblegum acrylic ball beads. And here those are. And look at how pretty the colors are. And yes, they have holes in them as well. So these are the items that I chose for my BeeBeecrafts review. And I would love you to stay tuned and watch for upcoming projects, tutorials, as well as using the code down below so that you can get your items as well. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.